Hi, I am Wilfredo Rex Cuba Oliva, Provincial Board Member representing the 5th District of Camarines Sur. I am now on my third and last term as regular member of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. And on behalf of my family, I would like to express again my heartfelt and sincerest gratitude to the constituents of Rinconada. Rinconada District is composed of the municipalities of Baaw, Balatan, Batu, Buhi, Bula, and Nabwa, and the city of Iriga. The trust and confidence of my constituents gave me the rare opportunity to hold public office and serve the people of Camarines Sur. At present, I am the chairman of the Committee on Education, Committee on Health, Nutrition, Sanitation, Population and Social Services, and the Committee on Ways and Means. It is my ardent desire to initiate additional legislative measures that will best promote health, education, and social services, and find major ways and means that will increase the local revenues of the province to further enhance the promotion of the general welfare of the people as envisioned by Governor El Rey Villafuerte. Diyos mabalos po.